Alright everyone, today we're with the 91 Ford F-150. We're still having an issue with it running. It likes to just start, it'll start up right away, and then it'll just want to kill itself right away. Alright, so far what we have done here is we have replaced the battery, we have replaced the alternator, we have a brand new brake system. I know that's just the master cylinder, but trust me, we've redone everything underneath the vehicle as well. We have a few new hoses, such as for the radiator here. The distributor is brand new as well, which may eventually end up being our problem. New ignition coil, new spark plugs, new spark plug wires, and the most important thing, a brand new engine is in there. It is the exact same engine that came out of the truck, just new, remanufactured. The old one got water in it and rusted away. What I'd like to try and show you here is what happens when the vehicle is running. Not sure how well it'll work. So what have we done so far in trying to address this problem? Well, we have pretty much eliminated the fuel system as a cause for the problem. We had the entire thing hooked up to an external tank with a fuel pump there, and it had the exact same issue. We have replaced the ECM. That did not fix anything. We did do a pressure check on both the fuel, and we checked the vacuum lines. Both of those came into the correct numbers. I don't remember what they are off the top of my head, but at the time that I checked them, they were matching what they were supposed to be. Right now, the popular opinion is that there could be something wrong with the EGR, which has not been replaced, or the distributor itself could be faulty, as I've been told that these new replacement distributors do not work very well at all. Something I should mention is that when we first put the new engine in, we did not have a problem running the truck for the first 20 minutes. It would run just fine, as seen in this clip here. It started after that on the way home from that shop where we put the engine in, so it's been kind of a mystery since then. What we're going to do here is we're going to start with the distributor. I've already gone ahead and loosened these two hoses up so we can get them aside. Down here on the distributor, it is held in place by one bolt down there. You can see it. It's that bolt down there, right there in focus there. You're going to want to, if you're not replacing the cap, I would recommend just leaving all of the spark plug wires attached and just undo the clips on both sides here and lift the cap away. What you're going to want to do, which I will do shortly after I've finished this clip, is take a picture of where the rotor is sitting on the inside, because that'll help you get the new distributor in and lined up properly. As you can see, I have now taken the cap off and set it aside. Just so you guys can see what I'm talking about for the inside, you want to make sure you have a picture showing exactly where that rotor is pointing, so that when you put it in the new one, you will know exactly where that needs to be set. I do need to take this plug out right here, and then we'll go ahead and undo that bolt and pull the distributor out. I may need to undo this up here, move it out of the way to pull the distributor out, but that's easy. That's just two bolts right here, and then you can pop this off pretty easily and undo this clip. Just set it aside for a moment while I get the distributor out. As you can see, I was able to get the distributor out no problem. This piece right here is actually the part that I think is causing problems. I am going to go ahead and warranty this distributor out as it was brand new and just start with a brand new one. So you can see there is a warranty void if removed sticker on it, so I'm just going to go ahead and replace the whole thing and start from scratch in case there's any problems inside this bit here. Unfortunately, this is not an original Motocraft one. It is the O'Reilly's Auto Part brand, so we're going to deal with that. I was able to get it out without removing that top plate up there for the throttle linkage, and I did take one spark plug wire off, but that'll be easy enough to remember where it goes. It's only one spot. And yeah, the way I get these things off is really simple. I use a 1/2-inch socket on 2 wobbles because that lets me get around things and gets it out real easy. It's not on there very tight. It's just one turn and then you can get the rest out with your fingers. I very unfortunately forgot to actually film this bit of the video when I was doing the actual work on the truck, but this is the part right here that I took off the distributor. This is off of the brand new one. As you can see, it does have the void markings there for the warranty. I just wanted to go over what you actually do with this if you take it off the distributor. You see this shiny spot here. Thermal paste actually goes there. The same kind of stuff you would put on a CPU in a computer. I guess this area gets pretty hot on the distributor. So when you replace it off of the distributor, there is a screw hole and a screw hole. On the actual Motocraft distributors, it's going to be 2 hex head bolts. On this one that I got from O'Reilly's, it was actually just a Phillips screw on the inside, so that's one way to kind of tell if it's original Ford part or if it's an aftermarket part, I guess, is the screws. But it's the same exact connector, so I just popped this one off, put thermal paste on the one that I had after cleaning it up. I got it from a junkyard pickup truck, and I slapped it on, tightened it down, and put the distributor in. And then what you're about to see next is the result of putting that part on the distributor. Alright, so we got the new distributor put in and we put the new module on the side. As you can see, everything is running smoothly now. I think we really found the issue this time. After running it for a little bit, all that'll be left will be a test drive. Like, as you can see, we are now driving the truck just fine. It is running. It is not trying to kill itself after just a few minutes. I guess the lesson learned here is that you really do need to have Ford parts. You can't use the aftermarket parts from like O'Reilly's or AutoZone. As soon as we put that piece on, everything is working great now. And then as you can see, looking at that video, that ended up being the thing that was wrong with the truck, was that the ignition control module, which is what this is right here, did not work from the brand new distributor. And that was actually the second distributor that I took off the truck that I had bought new at O'Reilly's. I was already warranted once, and then the third one I put on, I never even tried this one. So maybe this works, I don't know. I didn't trust it. I just put the Motocraft one on and the truck is running perfectly now. I did want to say I had found out through looking online and through some Facebook groups that these guys actually are just awful. They are perfectly terrible. From what I've heard, they can fail instantly and sometimes they can fail after 20 minutes. And that it's like a 1 in 10 chance that you actually get one that works long enough to drive your truck around. So if you're having this kind of issue after putting a new distributor in, this might be your issue. And anyway, guys, thank you for watching the video. Appreciate you. If you want to see more content like this from me, feel free to go ahead, like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me that, hey, I like this content, give me more of it. And we'll see what can happen. If you have any questions about this truck, you can ask them in the comments as well. I've learned a lot while working on it. So yeah, just let me know.